These are our kits. These are 3 of them. We actually will have 5 different stories. Some of the kits will also have a book in Spanish as well as the English edition. All of the kits come with a lesson plan in English and Spanish. And then there will be the book for the kit. So this is the Leonardo kit. There are typically dress-up items for this one. It's a monster story. So we have some dress-up items, some tails of different types. And there's typically a craft or art activity in the kits. So in this one, they make their own tails. We have some paper as well and some crayons, and they create their own fun monster. And this story is all about discovering something you are good at. This is Dumplings for Lily. Again, we have our lesson plan. The lesson plans all have QR codes that will bring you to this video, but they also have a code on the back that will take you to a survey, and we're going to ask you to please fill out that survey as well. It talks about the introduction, what you do, what materials are provided, what you need. It tells you some movement activities for our acting, our transition, our story. We identify the problem in the story and how to solve it, and then our end of class ritual as well. And this one is Dumplings for Lily. And with it, we've included props, which are objects that actors hold in their hands. We actually have these fun little dumpling kits with our dumplings in there. And again, we have some crayons, some paper, and we even have other food items as well. And then in our final kit, we have Last Stop on Market Street. This one will also be available in Spanish. And again, there's our lesson plan. We have an art activity featuring the bus so we can identify characters and talk about what they do. We play an improv game called Bus Rider. So again, we have a prop and we have some more dress up items, scarves, glasses for the sunglass man. There's glue sticks, crayons for our art activity. So each of the kits comes with whatever you will need to create the best possible experience for your child. Thank you.